Okay, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
It's not breaking, right?
No, sir, it's not right.
Okay. Just let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Let everybody come. Okay. See the screen? Hello. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see if there is a path and we can have more posting keys, SAP FICO, SPRO. Is there a path for it? Financial accounting, global document line item controls define posting keys. Okay, let's go and see if we can see something there. SPRO, SAP reference ING, financial accounting, global settings, documents, define posting keys. Can you see the define posting keys, everyone? Yes,
Yes.
we go here. Okay. Now, what are the posting keys important for us? You scroll down. Yes, 31 is vendor invoice. Can you see vendor invoice 31? And there is 40 debit entry. Then there is 50 credit entry. You can just click on 40, double click. Yes. Can you see here? Yes or no? This is for debit. This is for GL account. Yes or no? You can see like that. And if you go to maintain field status here, if you go to general data, then there are some fields which you can suppress, make it required, make it optional also. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like this, you can see it for every entry. If you go here, you want to see the data first? No. You can go for any posting fee. You can go for credit entry also. And you can go see credit entry for GL account, maintain field status, general data. You can go again. I just want to go to 31. 31 if you go. No. 31. Vendor invoice. Double click. Credit entry, vendor, and maintain field status. Clear? Yes or no? So all these things are there. Yes or no? All these things are there in the defined posting fees. Very easy topic. Yes or no? Clear, right?
Yes.
So those 8 posting fees you should remember. Okay. I'm showing you these 8 posting fees you should remember. 40, 50, 31, 21, 0 and 11, 70, 75. Yes.